Hi everyone, in this video we will see how to create and maintain an application which will maintain your employee records, add new employees to the system, generate payslips with or without tax components as required, and you will have access to all the employee records that you require. So let's get started. In this worksheet, we've got multiple. In this workbook, we've got multiple worksheets. We have salary slips, bank sheet, employee master, new employee form, approver, new employee template. Now, when we have a new employee joining, the first thing the new employee will need to do is to fill in this new employee form. So this form will take down all the information from the employee that will be required for our records. For that, right now we'll use a demo data. Once the data is updated, we go to the approver form, which right now is blank, but we'll use a password. So right now there is nothing in the sheet, but once we use a password, the sheet has been updated. After doing that, what we need to do is the approver rather needs to add in a few details and then update this into the employee master. Right now we have no records here. It is there but nothing registered yet. So we go back to the approver's form. Date of joining, we said today less 3 months. Let's see, 2/9. Let's say Feb 9, the person joining us. The person was on probation for 45 days. Designation is manager. Department is sales. Sorry. Manager is Jim Fritz. Official mobile is 963-852-7412. Official email, so something at email.com. Cost to company, let's say it is 750,000 rupees. Okay, basically you need to print this form, get the person to add these details manually and sign the form, and if there is any other document that we may require or any other process that we need to make sure that the employee is aware of, we can put those things over here. Once that is done, update. Right? So once it's been updated, we go to employee master again. Our data is loaded. We have all the data here. Now, probation company date is March 26th. So just change that. Probation till March 26th. So date confirmed will be March 27, 2019. So effective March 27, the person has been confirmed in the organization. Now let's look at the new employee template. So once we come over here, right now it's just an empty template. We need to add a new one over here. Right click, more copy, create a copy, move to in, move back, go back here, back here, right click, rename. So we just rename the sheet to OA001. This is the name that appears next to employee code. Hit enter. So the new employee is starting at 750,000 annual CDC. Now, the person started on February 9, 2019, which means the person is 3 months and 8 days old. If we change the date, employee for employee master, if we change the date from Feb 9 to, from say Feb 9 to, say, I'll just change it to 18. Now, if I go back, the person has been in the organization for 1 year, 3 months, and 8 days. Let's change it back. Come back to our original form over here. Currently, the entire package is shown in basic salary. We can change that by saying yes, I need a break for my salary. Alright, so we got basic, we got housing, we got conveyance, we got medical. These things already appear in your payslip over here. So we got basic, HRA, conveyance, medical, incentives, if any. If I change this to no again, everything changes. Everything is gone back. Keep it yes. So it shows your paid leaves taken, unpaid leaves taken, your total take home, and you can even add comp offs. So right now, if you look at this one, the opening balance shows just 2. But let's assume the person worked extra and deserves a comp off. So we just add the date over here. Maybe he worked extra 3 days back. Alright, so you can see here the comp off has been added. What it shows is current till date, current consumed till date consumed, opening 3 and balance 3. Unpaid leave shows current taken, YTD taken. Let's see how the leaves work. Now right now take home shows us 73,273.54. Why? Because there are no unpaid leaves. If we add an unpaid leave here, say 13 days was unpaid leave, all the figures will change. The take home changed, everything changed. The other thing is number of paid leaves. Right now maximum paid leaves available are 3. If I take 3, no problem. But if I try 4, it prompts me. Number of leaves exceeded. It will not stop you, it will just prompt you. Comp offs, we added 1 over there. We added just 1 date. If we change that, we add 1 more date over here. And your comp offs go to 2. And leaves earned goes to 4. If there's any carried forward, it shows you how many you've carried forward. So this is a pay slip only for this account. If you go to salary slips, we have all the salary slips ready to print. This is for up to 20 employees, which you can add more. Right now it is showing for employee 1 only, but as in when we keep adding, it will show for other employees as well. So this is what is salary slip. Oh, it also will get your bank records ready. You can just print out the sheet and send to the bank, sign and send it to the bank if you need to transfer funds to your employee's account. So we have salary slips here, we have bank sheet, we have employee master, which will take care of all employees, new employee form, approver. This is our first employee, and we need to keep adding over here. So when we add another one now, if I just try to add a new one, right now it says the first one over here, it says employee ID is OA001. If we add a new one, new employee, I'll just add, okay, I'll just click on demo file again. I'll go to approver, add my password, date of joining, maybe joining sometime in future, so I'll just add this. I'll say joining next month. Will be on 45 days probation. So this plus 45, designation executive. Manager. Fields, 78945612333. Official email. Some email.com. Cost to company 450,000. When I add this, I go to my new employee template. I select the new employee. I have all the details here. Over here, it shows will start in 1 month. So it is not yet started counting for how long the person has been in the organization. Over here, it shows how long before the person joins the organization. Rest all details, because everything is full, it shows. Or it is still showing for the first employee here, but it will change. I'll say name. Move or copy. Create a copy, move to end. Okay. Rename OA002. OA underscore. There. We have 2 employees added. My employee master. I have my 2 employees added to the organization. So that's how simple it is. If you need any more information regarding this, feel free to get in touch with me. Thank you, everyone.